Welcome to Finwiz, your go-to source for turning financial confusion into clarity, one short video at a time. Let's be real, personal finance can feel like a puzzle with missing pieces. From complicated bank terms to overwhelming debt, unclear tax rules, credit score mysteries, and investing advice that sounds like a foreign language. Most of us were never taught how money actually works. But that changes today, because at Finwiz, we simplify everything about money, not just the jargon, but the entire system. We break down personal finance from the ground up: budgeting, saving, spending, credit, debt, loans, insurance, taxes, retirement, investing, side hustles, passive income, even the psychology of why we spend. Every piece of the puzzle explained simply in videos that take less than a minute of your time. No boring lectures, no outdated advice, just straight up financial education made for real people with real questions. You'll learn how to stop living paycheck to paycheck, how to actually understand your credit report, what those hidden fees in your bank account really mean, why most people lose money in the stock market, and how not to be one of them. We expose common myths, teach money hacks that actually work, and uncover financial traps most people don't even know they've fallen into. And we're not just improving the content, we're evolving how it's delivered. We started with simple visuals and short-form tips. Now we're leveling up. Animated vector characters, dynamic scene changes every few seconds, smarter captions, high-retention editing, all built to make each second count. Finwiz is for everyone. Whether you're a teenager opening your first bank account, college student drowning in debt, full-time worker trying to save, just someone tired of being financially stuck. This isn't a channel for finance bros or millionaire gurus. This is for the 99% who were left out of the conversation. Till now. I'm not here to sell you courses, push affiliate scams, or hype risky investments. I'm here to educate, to empower, help you take control of your money with confidence. When you understand how the system works, you stop being a victim of it. You know what credit bureaus look for? You can take control of your score. You know how interest actually compounds? Start using it to your advantage. And the best part? Don't need hours of study. We'll deliver what matters most in under 60 seconds per video. No filler, no distractions, just facts that hit fast and stick. So if you're ready to make smarter money moves, if you're tired of the fear, confusion, and frustration around finances, want to earn more, save better, avoid traps, and build wealth without needing a finance degree, and subscribe to Finwiz. Watch the shorts. Drop a comment telling us what you want explained next. Break it down, fast and clear. Finwiz is more than a channel, like it's your personal finance shortcut. Smarter money in less time for everyone.